How to make a dragon fruit trellis. Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit from South America. It is the product of a cactus tree, bright pink and similar to the texture of a papaya. It can be eaten in salads, smoothies, or just by itself. Dragon fruit can be grown in tropical climates, indoors or outdoors from seeds. Training the plant to grow on a trellis can help prevent it from becoming tangled, but a lattice trellis is usually not strong enough to support the plant that can grow up to 20 feet. A T-shaped trellis is a better approach. Things you'll need: 5-foot tall wood plank 3x2 size, 3-foot tall wood plank 3x2 size, post hole digger, electric drill, hammer, nails, wood saw, plastic ties or long scraps of fabric. Dig a 2.5-foot hole if the dragon fruit plant is planted in the ground. If the plant is in a pot, make sure the pot is big enough to accommodate a pole at least 2 feet deep. Place the 3-foot tall wood plank over the top of the 5-foot tall plank near the top to form a T shape. Hammer 3 to 4 nails in the planks to attach them to each other. Place the T-shaped trellis support in the hole or in the pot, making sure it stands straight and firm. Drape the dragon fruit plant over the trellis support, using plastic ties or fabric scraps to tie it in different spots for support.